Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a Lego ATRT. To make this ATRT you will be needing these pieces, and now this color scheme is for if you're making the standard gray ATRT. Of course you can swap out some pieces if you want to make a 501st ATRT or something like that. First thing we are going to do is create the base and the legs of the ATRT. We're going to be using handlebars with two little Lego hands attached to the sides to get that three-pronged chicken foot kind of thing that the ATRTs have. Now we're going to continue on to the seat basically for the clone pilot. We're going to use a little peg at the front to attach the shield, and then at the back we're going to use a slanted piece for the chair. We're going to put that aside for a second and we're going to make the central shield. Now you want to have this kind of 45-degree turn on the central column so that when we add these plates here on the side it's all nice and angled. Finally, we want to put that entire shield column onto the main body, and then we just want to adjust all the little joints so that it looks nice. And that is how you make the ATRT. You can just add a little clone on top and it's all good. Now I like this ATRT because it is quite detailed, yet it is small, unlike the giant ATRT that Lego made, and it's kind of minifigure scale actually. So you can just use it in any of your MOCs. And like I said at the beginning, if you feel that you need a 501st ATRT, just swap out some pieces and swap out the minifigure and boom, there you go, 501st ATRT. You can do any range of combinations. You can make camouflage ATRTs, you can make shadow trooper ATRTs, anything you want. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it helped you out. You can click right over there to subscribe and right over there to watch another video, and maybe consider leaving a like down below because it really helps me out. Thank you guys all very much for watching, and I will be seeing you next time.